Okay, let's start to prepare. This one is the beaten egg yolk. Next, we add to the cooked rice. Then we need to stir, mix well. Until mix it well to the rice. Or if not sufficient, this one is the egg white. I add more one egg because not enough to color the rice. Continue to stir. I don't have this stand for my phone, that's why it's a little bit difficult to see it properly. Okay, that's it. And this one is our ingredients here. I show you just now. This is the French beans, yellow and red bell pepper, carrots. This one is our egg white. This one is our Chinese sausage lapchung and garlic. I wish little is black pepper, soy sauce, because I use bell pepper, I need to use oyster sauce. Okay, and that's for the ingredients, and we'll start to cook. This is my routine, my Wednesday day off. It's their favorite fried rice. So many types of fried rice, but this one I chose to cook today because the boy requested fried rice. So let's continue later.